Happy
Vlogmas 2022!
Woo! Woo! Oh, I think your hat. Woo.
Good morning, everybody. Hello, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 19 today. Hello. Oh my
blurry.
goodness, blurry. Hello, welcome.
It didn't like my
Hello.
head.
Welcome to the kitchen. It is Monday afternoon on the 19th of December. Happy Vlogmas Day 19 here.
Woo!
Bodhi-
Christmas is soon.
Christmas is soon. We're counting down. I'm just trying to prep for all the Christmas baking we're going to be doing over the next few days. It rained last night. I mean, my goodness, did it rain? I'm editing the vlog with my headphones on. Well, I'm editing the vlog with my headphones on, and I could hear the rain outside through the headphones.
What time was it?
1 o'clock in the morning, maybe.
I don't know why I could hear it.
So all the snow's gone. Oh, come back, snow! We're looking for a white Christmas. It was looking magical there for a while.
It was.
And we've lost our sunrises and sunsets underneath all the clouds. Oh no.
I know.
Gemma is still in bed, Bruce is out working, and so far today I've been doing washing, I've been doing dishes, and Bodhi wants to make scrambled eggs. So this is Bodhi's first time of making scrambled eggs that she remembers. Let's make some scrambled eggs with Bodhi.
Yeah.
Bodhi's scrambled eggs, and I made some toast.
It's like a diamond shape.
Yep. Now can Bodhi, you don't know,
It's heavy.
pop the eggs.
How about it, guys?
into
Lift
the
up the
middle.
top. There we go.
Straight from the pot to your plate. Look at that. We just made a warm meal.
Yay. Probably the first warm meal I've made.
Well done, Bodhi. How do you feel? Accomplished. Now don't put it back on the hot. Put it back on the cold. Lots of gingerbread cookies. There we go. That's what I've been doing. The sun has set in that time. It is dark. Gemma has just been down for a snack. And yes, now I've got to decorate these cookies, make tiffin, and think about what we're going to have for dinner. Because I don't know what we're having for dinner yet. Bruce won't be home till maybe about 7 o'clock tonight. We shall see. Just breaking away from the baking for a second to show you the crazy gusts of wind. It is super windy out there. The start of some yummy tiffin. That's the base. That's got biscuits and cherries and raisins and butter and golden syrup all mixed together, and then I'm going to layer some chocolate on later when I've done some chocolate. Hello, Jim. Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy your dinner, buddy. Quick and easy dinner for me tonight. Dad is home. Hello, Bruce.
Hello.
It is very late. Poor Bruce has been out trying to do bits of Christmas baking shopping. If anyone knows where you buy your truffle cases in Scotland, let me know, because Bruce always struggles. It's not me that's doing it, so I don't know. It's Bruce that's looking, and Bruce tells me you can't find truffle cases.
Can't find them.
And I'm like, but where does everybody get the truffle cases from
Find
then?
fairy cake cases, I can find cupcake cases, I can find muffin cases.
Yep.
Which probably
Ask
sounds cupcake
Grandma.
cases, but
Grandma gets them from Sainsbury's, but Dad couldn't even find them in Sainsbury's.
Nope.
Oh.
So anyway, Dad is home. Dad is still to eat, but it's late. It's like 9:30, and we have to do 20 to 10. We have to dance, and we have to do Advent. So let's do that just now. She is so tasty.
Have a mimosa Christmas. La 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 la. Have a mimosa Christmas. La 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 la. Have a mimosa Christmas. La 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 la.
We are getting Gemma down from up the stairs from in her wee hidey hole.
I want to see what's in here.
Early Christmas present from Lily Grace. It looks lovely, and Bodhi got the most beautiful pyjamas as well. Absolutely love them. She looks beautiful in them. She's been wearing them. She wore them the first night she got them. Super happy. Upside
turn
down.
over.
Wow. Ooh, it has this close
That bomb.
bath bomb.
Ooh. Ooh, that's very fancy.
Confetti bath soap. That's gonna be cool.
Is that pop out or something?
Oh yeah, oh that's gonna be cool. Where's it going?
That is very cool.
Oh, it's heavy.
And
Oh my.
Whatever this is.
That looks like another bath bomb.
And I think, yeah, there's nothing else in here. But I should add this to the wrapping paper collection. And that.
same back side.
Hold on, so wait, there's a Sky's the Limit bath fizzer, Split It bath fizzer, and Star Shower confetti bath soap.
That's really cool.
I can use it in the shower. Interesting. I'll put the tag in there too.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Thank you, Lily Gray. Advent!
Advent!
Advent! Where is it? I'm
Advent!
gonna see it.
I wonder what Lily Grace is getting in her Harry Potter Advent calendar today.
19.
19.
19. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be gold. It's white.
19.
Fine.
Speed run.
Speed run your
fly.
chocolate.
There is just one fly in the house, and it's been in every room.
Has it been exploring?
Yeah. Because
Hello.
I went to go take a shower, went into the bathroom, I was like, really? So I was like, lure it out using lights. Because
Right.
it only went towards the lights, so I turned the hallway light on, and then I had to close the bathroom door, turn your light on. I trapped you in your room because you have a window, which I think was open. Then I got back out and was in my room. I'm like, oh.
Excellent. The story of the fly. The Christmas fly. Who's doing Mickey Advent today then? Number 90.
We're getting close to the characters.
We are. We have a snowman today. I'm pretty sure that didn't come with this Advent calendar. I don't know where it came from, but
We definitely
the
did.
snowman.
No, it's not. Wait, let me see it.
I don't think it's part of the collection.
It is, it has the ears.
Okay.
And if you look at the back of the other ones as well, like,
Oh, fair enough. Number 19. Where are we putting our snowman
Oh
today?
no, the snowman feels right there.
Perfect. I like
This
that.
is Donald Duck's year, okay?
The year
Okay,
of Donald.
Jenga break, it's time.
Alright.
It's time.
Where is number 19? Whee.
if we find out.
Hello, Santa. Hello, Santa.
You found it.
Number 19.
And that's the last one before we get into the 20s, and there's not many of the 20s.
No, there's not.
Christmas is far too soon.
Oh, I just dropped those pencils.
So I think it's a conclusion that we are very close to Christmas. And that
Very.
maybe happened very
You
fast.
should probably put the bubble further up now.
Yep.
Number 19 going on
Would
our
have to
tree.
climb the entire couch together.
Wait. 19,
19.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Start.
Perfect.
What does a snowman like to eat for breakfast?
I don't know.
Frosties.
That works really nice, yeah.
Frosted flakes.
Frosted Flakes, of course.
A generic brand.
Read it.
No, you read it.
Festive fun today. Many what am I?
A mini what am I? That sounds
Let's hope you're
intriguing.
not a mince pie.
Hazel Whirl. This. A pig.
Wait.
It's a Christmas
Wait.
Oh my god! It's back again!
I didn't put it in this time.
You never know who will.
Oh my god.
The fudge.
Country fudge.
Country fudge.
Can I just like I'm
That made a nice noise.
I'm not doing it.
That make a good
You like
noise.
that sound, did you?
that made a
Okay,
nice noise.
Dylan, the pigs are gonna have to be yours because Mom and Dad are vegetarian.
True. I'll take a pig. And what's the green one?
The
Green.
green one,
Treats,
I'm
maybe
not
treats.
sure. Maybe chocolate. I think I might be plain chocolate.
I'll just take it.
I have Hazel Whirl.
A hazel whirl. Excellent. Dad, what would you like today?
Is it fudge still?
Yeah.
Oh,
Awesome.
Yeah.
Let's grab these in. Oh, that's for Dad. That's for me.
That is £2 and 50 pence.
£2.50 going in
That took
today.
me too long to like. I was like, okay, we have this, but because we don't have the 40 pence piece, it took me a minute.
Okay,
Ooh.
stop singing my words.
And now we're going to write down, because the kids are getting money since full moon through to the new moon.
How much is in here later?
You can count. Oh wow, end came off. And they're collecting that for a gift to give in a few days now,
For
on the
someone.
23rd.
We don't know who.
And we're also going to write down, every day we've been writing down a wish for somebody else that we'd like to gift if we had the chance to gift something. This will be,
Looking for the money ones is way
oh,
further down.
Dad is searching for,
I'm searching for Jim.
It's on the ground.
oh, Gemma's pouch of money.
It's too heavy.
Right, let's write down our Christmas wishes for other people then. Here's our Christmas pig. We don't know why we have a Christmas pig.
Why is he here?
We don't know. He's come to join our Christmas this year. Bodhi is still
Bodhi's
writing
an
her
artist.
wish.
I'm not
And
drawing.
I have my wish, and I just saw Dad get his chocolate there. That's his dinner appetizer.
Yeah, appetizer.
Or maybe just
Or maybe just dinner tonight. Country fudge. It sounds a bit like soup. It could be soup. Of the fudge variety.
It's also like soup.
We get kind
What
of
soup has the word fudge in it?
the one that has the word country, like country vegetable. Instead of country vegetable, we get country fudge soup.
Vegetable soup is it?
Yeah.
Okay,
popular soup.
we need our names. You know. You know what I mean?
No idea.
Mini what I.
Mini, what am I? Oh, I see. Hello, snowman. Oh, you got a buddy.
I only saw it yesterday.
Hi, Santa.
Santa!
I mean, he
Sad.
definitely looks.
He looks sad.
Mini, what am I today? Is just you
Okay,
and
I think you're
it's just you and Gemma today.
Oh.
Because I don't have time for a huge giant
we
one.
get to ask questions.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, for sure.
Okay.
Who's going first then?
Okay.
Christmas related item.
Right. So Gemma first.
Right, so mine's going to be guess ridiculously fast. Here
Is
we
it?
Are you a
go.
reindeer?
No.
No.
Are
Are
you
you
a
an
snowman?
elf?
No. No.
Oh, they're just reeling off Christmas things now.
Yes. No.
Oh.
So are you alive?
No.
Are you food?
No.
Are you decoration or ornamental?
Yes.
As
Are
in,
you a are you a bauble? Are you a bauble?
No.
tinsel?
No.
Near a wreath.
No.
Do you hang on the Christmas tree?
Not
That'd be a
usually,
bubble.
no.
Not usually, no.
Are you found
Near a
inside?
Christmas card?
Oh, 2 questions.
Not that. Yes, I'm found inside. And, well, yeah. Usually not outside. Mostly inside.
Oh, you're a Christmas tree?
Holly.
No.
Are you something that's only found at Christmas time?
No.
Are you a penguin?
No. Yes, I'm an ornamental dead penguin.
Would I be able to find it in this room?
Are you a Christmas present?
Or can you see it in this
Are you a
room?
Christmas present?
Hang on.
Are you a snowman?
I'm not a star.
Not if it's inside.
I don't think
Okay.
is in this room.
Are you a Christmas present?
No.
Are you
Is there-
talking?
Is there usually one in this room?
Are you a bell? Are you Mickey Mouse?
Holly.
You stop guessing.
Stop doing silly things.
Yeah, you know. It's
That Christmas tradition.
right. Back to actual questions.
I said yes to being decorative.
Are you soft?
I'd hope not.
Can I touch you?
Yes.
Have I ever touched you?
Yes.
Are you a candle?
No.
Are you a mint?
No.
You're a Christmas stocking.
No.
I already asked them. Are you a Nintendo Switch?
No.
What about wrapping paper? Are you wrapping paper?
Yes.
There we go.
Hey! Wrapping paper. Good job.
There you go.
Well done.
Are you alive?
No.
Are you decorative?
Yeah.
Are you found inside?
Yeah.
Are you in this room?
Yeah.
Are you in the Christmas tree?
No.
Tinsel.
No.
Ornament.
No.
Candy cane.
No.
The pig.
Are you the Christmas pig?
Pan over to Christmas pig ominously standing on the table.
Christmas
Are you
pig.
a Christmas tree ornament?
No. Maybe. Mom?
No, I mean that was an actual guess. Does it say Christmas tree ornament on there?
Are
No.
you an advent calendar?
No.
I think I had that one.
Are you brightly coloured?
Depends.
Ooh.
Okay, so you have a lot of versions.
Are
Are you
Christmas lights?
No.
are you frequently found like in this household?
At Christmas.
Have I
Please,
said tinsel?
Yeah, you said
I said tinsel.
Star.
Yeah.
Hey, you got it!
Yeah.
You both got each other's today. Yes.
Star.
There we go. That worked really well as Minnie. What am I? Well done. We are rubbish at asking questions.
We should do what am I with the whole family.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Got a spare day?
That would be like a live stream.
Oh, maybe that's what we should do.
Ah.
Live stream some What Am I?
What are we
I
doing?
don't know.
I'm gonna pan over to it.
So don't let everybody's feet. Don't do that. Grabs them. Mind that.
And on that weird note that Bodhi's gracing us with, we're going to say goodbye to the vlog today. We're going to hopefully get Dad some food maybe before bed, unless country fudge was the soup of choice for dinner. And we're going to get Bodhi to bed, I think.
Oh.
Might have had a bit too much of the Christmas
Unless it gets
baking
really
over there.
quiet and nobody notices
Why
it.
don't you do Charles?
Maybe, might happen. And yeah, Gemma's just out the shower. And we're back tomorrow for more Vlogmas fun and likely more baking. Because gratefully Bruce managed to track down most things I need. Just not everything.
Not truffle cases.
Not truffle
Truffle
cases.
cases.
They'd be useful. We've ordered some from Amazon, but they're not going to be here till Thursday and we leave on Friday, so let's see what happens.
Fingers crossed.
Alright, thank you very much for taking the time to join us for Vlogmas. Lots of love from Scotland.
See you then.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.